Cutting down trees that have been either damaged by high winds, have naturally died, or possibly have outlived their usefulness in a particular spot leaves an unsightly stump which needs to be removed. Bonide Stump Out is a do-it-yourself stump removal product which makes this task rather easy. Stump Out accelerates the decomposition of the tree stump by drying it out. The drying process takes about 4 to 6 weeks to occur. Once dried out, the stump can easily be burned. The stumps do not burn with an open flame or heavy billowing smoke, which is a benefit in areas where open burning is not allowed. Once completely burned, the ashes can be covered with soil. The 1-pound container treats one 12 to 18-inch stump. On stumps that are 12 to 18 inches wide, drill 2 1-inch holes straight down from the bottom of the stump to a depth of 10 inches. Then drill to the side of the stump, about 4 to 5 inches down from the top of the stump. These side holes need to meet the bottom of the vertical holes previously drilled. On stumps larger than 18 inches, drill a minimum of 4 sets of holes. Then pour 4 to 6 ounces of Stump Out into each hole. Fill the holes with water. Let stand for 4 to 6 weeks. Then fill the holes with kerosene or fuel oil and allow it to be absorbed. Pour additional kerosene or place charcoal briquettes onto the stump and ignite it. It will slowly burn the stump down to the roots. Bonide Stump Out provides an inexpensive and effective way to remove unsightly tree stumps from your yard or garden for the do-it-yourself homeowner. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.